Creating an invoice in Google Sheets is simple and allows for customization to suit your business needs. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create one. Open Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets to your Google Drive or go to sheets.google.com. Choose a template. If you want a head start, search for Invoice in the template gallery. Google Sheets offers ready-made templates, which you can customize with your details. Create a new sheet. If you're starting from scratch, click blank to open a new sheet. Enter header information. At the top, input your business name, address, and contact information in separate cells. You can also add the invoice title. Add client information. In the next section, add your client's name, address, and contact info. Itemize list. Below that, create columns for item description, quantity, unit price, and total cost. Total calculation. Use formulas to calculate totals. For example, in the total column, enter the following to multiply quantity by unit price. Finalize the invoice. Add a section for taxes, discounts, and the final total. Save your invoice as a template or export it as a PDF.